Hello, this is Mike from Cornerbowl Software, and in this video I'm going to show you how to generate a single SIEM User Logon Report that scans Windows event logs, Ubuntu audit logs, and Isilon NAS Syslogs that is grouped by unique users. Before we begin generating a report, we need to configure log consolidation. Cornerbowl Server Manager must have at least 3 hosts configured: a Windows host, an Ubuntu host, and an Isilon NAS device. Each host must also have their appropriate log consolidation template assigned. Navigating to my Windows host reveals an event log consolidation template assigned. Navigating to my Ubuntu host reveals a text log consolidation assigned. Navigating to my Isilon host reveals a syslog consolidation template assigned. I don't have a real Isilon device, so I've written a simulator based on Dell's documentation and a customer's real syslog messages. Using the dashboard, I'm going to first verify I have log entry data saved for each of the hosts and log types. To do that, I'm going to go to the dashboard, then select the Log Database Summary tab. Once selected, the primary log database is scanned and summary data returned. Notice the host CBDC1 has a security event log table saved to the database. Notice the Ubuntu device, Noble Nest, has an audit log table saved to the database. Lastly, the Isilon NAS device has a syslog table saved to the database. Okay, now that we know we have data, let's dive in and see what it looks like. By default, security event logs extract the target account name from 4624 login events to a database column keyed with target account name. Opening up the Ubuntu log, we can see there is a username column, which is also keyed with target account name. Moving to the Isilon log, we can see login information is saved as well. If you're familiar with Isilon logs, you know that the account is not actually saved in a log, but instead a SID. Cornerbowl Server Manager includes functionality to extract SIDs in real time from Isilon syslog messages, then insert the actual username into the database. Notice the username column is keyed with target account name as well. In the next steps, we will use the target account name column key to group the different database table schemas together. To create our new report, from the menu bar, select File, New. From the Create New Object view, expand Report, then Log Consolidation Reports, then select SIEM Report. From the New Report view, specify a name, then optionally assign a schedule to automatically generate the report, or leave the schedule blank if you do not want to automate the report generation. Next, select the Explicitly Assigned Logs tab. SIEM reports require you to explicitly assign each consolidated log to include in the report. To assign logs, click the Add button, then navigate through either the primary or archive log databases to assign the logs. Next, select the Columns tab. Add a new column to display the target account name, then move it to the position which you would like to display the values. Next, assign the new column to the Group By dropdown. Next, select the Options tab. To limit results, I need to apply filters to each log. From the Filters dropdown, I'm going to select the corresponding sample success logon filters for each log. Next, select the Date-Time Range tab. Then, specify the date range to include in the report. The default is the previous 7 days. However, I'm going to change that to today so I can see my test data I generated prior to recording this video. Next, select the Actions tab. To send results through email or save to a CSV file, assign the corresponding action to the OnComplete dropdown. For example, select the sample email action. Since this report has explicitly assigned logs, there's no need to assign the report to a host or a host group. Lastly, click Save, then View Report. Once displayed, we can see the success login results for each file type: Isilon, Windows Event Logs, and Linux Audit Logs. If you would like to extract specific attribute value pairs, for example, the logon type, you will need to apply regular expressions to extract the values. To do that, create a new column, then specify a key, display name, and data type. For logon type, this will be logon type, a data type of logon type, then apply the regex. Expand the row detail, then click the Add button. The regex for logon type has been added to the environment variables, so you can simply click the Environment Variables button to select the appropriate environment variable. Next, move the column to the position you would like to see the values. Click Save, then View Report. Now we can see the logon type listed. That's all for today. I hope this introduction to Corner Bowl's SIEM reports has been helpful, and please send any questions to info@cornerbowlsoftware.com.